Aging servers drain data center budgets faster than you think. Data shows that within 3 years, annual maintenance costs for old servers can increase by 24% to 44%. Enterprises using PDP-11 hardware know this challenge well. As hardware reaches end-of-life status, keeping it running puts your business operations at risk. But here's the main challenge. Legacy applications such as RT11, RSX11, and RSTS running on PDP-11 are too important to replace. They perform specific business tasks. There are millions of lines of legacy code in them. Replacing them through migration strategies like application rewriting is risky. Moreover, it's a complex process requiring serious investments in both money and time. Charon-PDP solves this challenge. It's the fastest, most cost-effective way to replace aging PDP-11 hardware. It creates an identical hardware interface similar to your legacy hardware, but on modern systems or clouds. The process is known as lift and shift or hardware emulation. Your legacy software sees the new emulated host just like it's the same old one it's always run on. The emulation process is simple. Install Charon-PDP on a host, either x86 or cloud. Charon creates a virtual replica of your original environment. It lifts the workloads from the PDP-11 to the emulated hardware. Your business applications run as before without any code changes. Charon-PDP offers substantial benefits. It extends the life cycle of your business-critical applications. No changes to code, database, or OS required. Upgrading to newer platforms reduces costs and boosts performance. Modern hardware minimizes unplanned downtime while lowering your data center footprint. Legacy applications built decades ago can now leverage modern cloud capabilities. Cybersecurity risks drop through modern security protocols. Are you ready to replace your aging PDP servers with x86 architecture? Hundreds of companies are already using Stromasys Charon, tested across multiple use cases. Now it's your turn. For more details, visit www.stromasys.com.